Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all will be safe and fine at your home. In the previous class, I had taught you first 4 questions of your exercise first B. I am teaching you nowadays chapter 1 revision, and in previous classes I had taught you first 4 questions of exercise 1B. Now today I will teach you next 4 questions of this exercise. Question number 5, fill in the blanks. A. 72 divided by 9. You have to divide 72 by 9. How will you do division? You will write down 72 under the bracket. Now 9 in the table of 9, 72 comes at when 9 is multiplied by 8. 9 area 72. So answer will be 8. Now question number 5b. You have to divide 160 by 10. 160 divided by 10. Now when 160 will be divided by 10, 10 1 ja 10. 10 will be subtracted from 16 now. 6 will remain. Now 0 will come down. It will become 60. In the table of 10, 6 come at when you multiply 10 by 6. 10 6 is 60. Now the answer is, quotient is 16. So the answer is 16. Again I am telling you 10, 160 is divided by 10. 10 1 ja 10. You will subtract 10 from 16. 6 will come then, and you will write down 0 from here, and 10 6 is 60. Now 16 is your quotient, that is your answer. You will have to fill up here. Now come to question number 6. The numerator of a fraction is 7 and its denominator is 9. Write the fraction. You have to write down the fraction. When numerator of a fraction is 7 and its denominator is 9. Whenever you write fraction, you write numerator above and denominator down, like this. 7 is your numerator and 9 is your denominator. It is a fraction and 7 is your numerator and 9 is your denominator. You write down fraction like this, 7 by 9. Now come to question number 7. What fraction of each of the following figure is unshaded? You have to tell here what fraction of each of the following figure is unshaded. Figure में कितने, how many, which fraction is unshaded? Now you can see there are 4 figures in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 are unshaded among them. So 3 by 4. 3 is unshaded out of 4 figures. Here 3 figures are unshaded out of 4 figures. Now come to question number 8. It is again fill in the blanks of additions of fractions. A. 7 by 18 plus 4 by 18. Here you can see 7 is your numerator, 18 is your denominator. 7 by 18 is fraction, plus 4 by 18. 4 is numerator and 18 is denominator. So 7 by 18 plus 4 by 18. You have to, since denominator are same, 18 and 18 both are same numbers, so denominators are same. So you just add up the numerator. 7 plus 4, that is equals to 11 by 18. Now again B. 11 by 45 plus 8 by 45. Again 11 is your numerator, 45 is your denominator in this fraction, plus 8 by 45. 8 is your numerator, 45 is your denominator in this fraction, second fraction, 8 by 45. Now you have to add them up. Since denominator are same, 45 plus 45. So 45 is your denominator, denominator is same, so you just add up the numerator. 11 plus 8, that is equals to 19 by 45. Now come to the fraction part, subtraction part of the fraction. 7 by 19 minus 5 by 19. Again denominators are same, so you will just do subtraction here. 7 minus 5 by 19. 7 minus 5, that is equals to 2 by 19. Here you will just subtract the numerators. 7 minus 5 by 19, that is equals to 2 by 19. Now come to next question. 25 by 37 minus 12 by 37. Again denominators are same. So 37, 25 minus 12, that is equals to 13 by 37. 25 minus 12, that is equals to 13, and denominator is 37. 13 by 37. Now homework for today is write and learn tables from 2 to 20, because you have to do multiplication and division, so you will have to learn the tables. So just write and learn tables from 2 to 20. Thank you.